about the feeling grounded and rooted, because honestly that's one of the things, it's just a technique I've actually more recently learned. I don't know if any of you noticed when I first came up here, I didn't start speaking right away. Did you notice what I did? I don't know if anyone noticed. If you did not, that's fine, that's fine. I was actually grounding myself. I was looking out at all y'all. Oh, thank you. Did you guys want something? There you go. I was grounding myself, and I was envisioning that my feet are planted in the ground. They're rooted in the ground. I am part of nature. And I know that sounds hippie-ish, but it works. Because when I get nervous, I tend to shift. And that's really distracting to people. So I grounded myself, and it gives me a sense of power and oneness with myself. And so that's one way you can ground yourself, is visualize yourself as part of nature, that you are grounded. They actually have a thing called power stance. You can call it Superwoman. And for 3 minutes, this actually changes you biologically. It gives you the endorphins that you need to feel that sense of power. So if you have like a Wonder Woman like fantasies, like I did when I was little, I wanted to be Wonder Woman, you can do this for 3 minutes right before you like give a talk or whatnot. It helps quite a bit. So that's part of grounding. Some other things for grounding. For some people, when they're having panic attacks, they are focused in the future, like, I'm gonna die, this is awful, what if people know what's going on? They're thinking in the future, right? So to get present, some people will use their physical sensations in order to realize where they are in the present. And there's a technique called 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It's not complicated. Sometimes I think people complicate it, but it's not. So essentially what you do is you use your 5 senses to figure out where you are right now, being centered. So you just go, okay, what are 5 things that I see? You look and you describe 5 things. What are 4 things that I hear? What are 3 things that I'm touching? What are 2 things that I smell? Which we have lots of smells going on right now. And there's 1 thing that you taste, okay? So what I want you to do is you're gonna partner up in just a minute and partner up with the person next to you. And I want you to go through this 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 activity. And both of you take a chance to describe what you know what? Yeah.
Okay, here we go.
Let me explain it. 5 things that you see. Okay. That's an eyeball.
Okay.
4 things that you, oh, I think I said it wrong the first time.
That you
can touch, and it could be your clothing, it could be the chair, it could be touching something physically, your purse, the floor, anything, right? 3 things that you hear. That's an ear. I don't know if you can tell. 2 is 2 things that you smell. That's a nose. And a mouth. Oh my gosh. Okay. And 1 thing that you, what's the other
Taste.
sense? Taste. Thank you. Okay. Can you see over there? You probably can't so well. But just describe what are your senses doing, okay? All right, go ahead and pair up with the person next to you.